Hi, this is Apo Adnan, and today is February 12, 2017, and last night was the full moon. Though I haven't seen the lunar eclipse and the comets shower, but what I experienced or what I've heard is that the Philippines had a terrible earthquake in southern part of the Philippines, and the affected area is Surigao del Norte, which is the homeland of my father. All my relatives are there, and some of their properties and houses have been destroyed by the earthquake. So I ask everyone to pray, to send your energy of peace and prayer to the southern part of the Philippines, and especially to our hometown, which is Surigao del Norte. Last night, I did the ritual of full moon, and the message of peace that I received last night is about loading and unloading. Specifically, what the message meant to me is about how we think, how we feel, and how we act on situations. In our life, we are so busy doing our things, but there are situations that makes us worry about things, such as the message that been told to me last night is to do not think about unnecessary thinking with regards to ourselves, and also do not feel the emotions that are not necessary to you. So we must unload those things that are not necessary in our living. Most of us entertain thoughts, news from around the world, even in here in Facebook or YouTube. We watch things that bring confusion into our mind, and even what we see and what we know and learn give us emotional trouble that makes peace absent into our life. Even in our body is molded to have a maximum capacity limit. If we take in every time all the baggages, all the load, that makes our life difficult. If we want to make our life easy, we have to unload unnecessary things, those extra baggages that comes into our life, but instead focus on living our life in peace, live our life happy. And what can make us happy, and it being happy is not about manipulating or controlling people's lives. So I ask everyone to focus on ourselves, to focus our energy on peace, to focus ourselves in making our life happy by not manipulating others. Try to remove all the unnecessary thoughts in our mind that confuse us. Remove all the unnecessary emotions that bother us. Just focus on the energy of peace. Be love and be peace all the time. So until then, may you all blessed be peace. Mayari na pag-asatin.